have you ever imagined? So much snow that it causes a never-forgotten disaster. After all the snowstorms, frigid temperatures, extreme winds, I have gotten the idea to take on an early winter special, in remembrance of the blizzard that impacted West Virginia in 2012. This wasn't any blizzard. This is one that came from Superstorm Sandy, otherwise known as Hurricane Sandy, in 2012. Cities in the state such as Richwood received a staggering 3 feet of snow. Hurricane Sandy made landfall in New York on October 29, 2012. By October 30, 2012, West Virginia has received 1 to 3 feet of snow. By Halloween, the storm had passed, but left a scar on multiple places throughout the state.